Bismillah Rahman Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. I hope that all of you are fine there, enjoying your lives as well. It gives me immense pleasure and delight to talk to you after a long time, as we could not see one another, we could not share our ideas with one another for almost 3 to 4 months because of this current pandemic. We are to appreciate the administration of our respectable institution that has provided us this platform to engage you in your studies, in your academics. If you recall and remind the last topic that was discussed in our class, it was about communication skills. I had delivered my lecture about communication skills in detail, and we had a detailed discussion about uh, types of communication skills and what are the basics of communication skills and so on. As this is going to be my first lecture, and I'll be uploading my lectures now and then. So, in the first lecture, my topic is going to be presentation. Now, the word presentation is familiar to all of you. The word presentation is known to everybody. Every Tom, Dick, and Harry knows about presentation, what presentation is, how it is delivered, etc. etc. Particularly in this lecture, I'll let you know what is basically presentation in real and how one can deliver presentation effectively. Basically, we should not neglect and ignore the importance of presentation in this 21st century. Those people who are known as great leaders, those people who are known as successful businessmen, those people who are successful in any shift and change of life, they are successful, they are great people, they are role models of the people because of their communication skills, because of their presentation skill. I had told you in my last class that 70 to 80% are people, those who are successful because of their presentation skills and communication skills. Similarly, this topic will enable you to explain yourself, to define yourself, and to talk about your specific topic before the public. This topic is not limited to your academics only. This topic is not limited to your this course only, but this topic will benefit you not only here at this stage but also in your future as well. Because today, if you will deliver your lecture before your classmates, today, if you deliver your presentation before your classmates, tomorrow you are going to deliver presentation before your colleagues, before your, people of your respective organization and of different institutions. So there's no end to presentation. It Once you learn it, you have to carry it with you for a long period of time. Now, I would like to quote a few great presentators of the world who became successful through their presentation skills. It would not be any exaggeration if I may quote the holy personality of Islam, our beloved Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. He convinced people, he preached Islam in, throughout the world because of his presentation skill. Later on, we have many pious and holy personalities who came to be known as great and role models for the people because of their presentation skills. Now, if we may look in the history, then we have number of examples, those who got success because of their presentation skills. In America, we have Barack Hussein Obama, we have Hillary Clinton. They have got amazing presentation skills, they have got amazing oratory, and they have got amazing speech skills. If I'm give you an example of South Africa, then we have one of the great leaders of this century. He is none other than Nelson Mandela. Then we have Martin Luther King, and then in Pakistan we had a charismatic personality who was known to be a master of words, who knew very well how to play with words, how to uh, deliver effective presentations. He was none other than Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, and then his daughter Benazir Bhutto, and then we had Parvez Musharraf. Now he had amazing presentation skills. Now in this time, at this current position, we have a wonderful speaker. He is Mr. Qasim Ali Shah. Then we have Umer Jaliawala, and then there are number of people. Are those people who are listening to one of the youngest speakers in India? He is Mr. Sandeep Maheshwari. People are used to him. They are listening him these days because of his presentation skills. So there are many people in the world who are successful because of their presentation skills. Now we will uh, discuss in detail what this presentation is. And when I'll be telling you about presentation, then I'll be talking to you about the effective presentation. The definition of presentation is very simple. It is an act of presenting ideas before the public effectively. Three to four things are there in this simple definition. One of them is act, other one is ideas, third one is public, and fourth one is effectively. What this act is, what this ideas are, what this ideas is, what this public is, and what does it mean by effectively. I'll let you know in my next video that what basically is the actual definition of presentation, and I'll define this presentation in detail. Till that, take care of yourself and stay blessed and stay at home. Wish you all the best.